University. Combat University. Combat University. Combat University. Combat University. Combat University. Let's go!
Welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to defend against an uppercut. So watch this clip from Pixels and I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out.
Toe to toe, flow, flow, jab, jab, hands up, block, block, uppercut, right hook. He's open on the side, look, get him on your toes. Move around, getting close, apply the pressure, punches thrown, kicks flying, let's go.
Right. Right. Welcome back. So you saw in the clip that Donkey Kong threw that barrel. Well, we're going to take that throw and use it as an uppercut. So that's how it would be here. So when we practice this defense, we need to put our hands up. That's going to be our blockers. And when an uppercut comes in here, we're just going to twist and get out of the way. Twist, get out of the way, and push it. So if Bob were to throw that uppercut here, we're going to be here. We're going to turn, twist here. From here, thumb to the eye, snap kick, cross to the face. Aye. Aye. So if Bob were to throw that uppercut here, we're going to twist, get out of the way. Twist here. Thumb to the eye, snap, cross. Twist and turn, thumb to the eye, snap, cross. Twist and turn, thumb to the eye, snap, cross. Twist, thumb to the eye, kick, cross. Nice. So, uppercut, we got hit from here, thumb to the eye. Notice I kind of squatted a little bit and put pressure into it, force here. Aye. Cross. Aye. Strike, kick, cross. Eye. Groin, cross. Right. From here, nice. Nice. Cross to the face. So for this last technique, just stand there, one hand over the other. Strike, groin, face. Right. Again, hands crossed, thumb to the eye, right snap to the groin, left cross to the face. Right. So from here, just a quick jab, right? But with the thumb to the eye. Your palm is going into the cheek. Nice. Kick, cross. Last time. Nice. Snap kick to the groin, cross. Thanks for watching. Go try it out. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time to go over more self-defense techniques.
I've been waiting to do this since 1982.